Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can transfer Bitcoin from your Cash App to your Coinbase account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first of all, you'll have to copy the receiving wallet address since we are transferring it over to Coinbase account. So then log in into your Coinbase account, and once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. So what you have to do is, in order to copy the wallet address, you have to tap on price, which is right at the bottom, and once you do that, next interface, select the Bitcoin that you want to receive. So next interface, you have to select the crypto that you want to receive. So once you're done selecting your cryptos, you can see right on top there's a small QR code icon. All you have to do is just tap on it. As you tap on it, next interface will be able to see the wallet address. So then you have to tap on copy. So once you're done copying the wallet address, you have to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your Cash App account, you have to tap on the investing tab in the bottom right corner of your screen, and next interface will be directed to the investing page. And on this page, you have to make sure that you've already selected Bitcoin in the top right corner. And after you're done selecting it, right at the bottom you can see there's an arrow icon. Just tap on it. Now you have to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer. So once you're done entering it, tap on send, and once you're on this page, you have to paste the wallet address that you've recently copied, and once you're done entering the wallet address, tap on next in the top right corner, and after that there is a confirmation. So you have to double check all of the information, and then you have successfully transferred Bitcoin from your Cash App to your Coinbase account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.